Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change phone number on TikTok. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on TikTok app, tap on profile and click on three line option, tap on settings and privacy. After that tap on account and click on account information. Okay, click on phone number and add a phone number and change phone number. That's all. Thanks for watching. Okay, add phone number, select country, okay, then continue and send code. Okay, just wait few seconds. Okay, enter a 6-digit code and add phone number and change phone number in TikTok. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment.